Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete ChatGPT history. So first, you have to go to your Google web browser and log into your ChatGPT account. Now, as you can see here on the left side, here are the recent searches or the recent prompts that you ask to ChatGPT. So in order for you to delete this, all you have to do is tap that and then you can see a delete icon or trash bin. So you just have to click that, okay, and then click the check in order to confirm that you wanted to delete this. You do this to the other recent searches here. Okay, you just have to tap, click the delete option, and tap check to confirm. Now, what if you just wanted to edit your recent search, or you just have to click this pencil icon here and edit. So that's it. Now, if you want to delete all these recent searches in history on ChatGPT at once, or how to delete ChatGPT history at once, you just have to scroll down and below here, you can see three dots. Click that one and you can see here clear conversation. Tap that and your ChatGPT history will be cleared. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.